Baby Shark Brooklyn.
Knock, knock, knock. Trick or treat.
Baby Shark's Halloween food truck. Ta-da! The Halloween food truck is ready to go!
I'm so hungry!
Oh no, we'd better get moving! Baby Shark Halloween food truck. Zoomy zoom zoom, off it goes. Baby Shark Halloween food truck. Boo! On spooky Halloween.
How come I can't taste anything?
Huh? This is Baby Shark's Halloween food truck. How can I help you?
Give me the yummiest soup in the whole wide world.
Sure. Chef Baby Shark's Yummy Soup coming up. Which ingredients should I put in the soup? How about I use a frog? Wow! Frog soup is ready! Excuse me, your yummy soup is ready!
Let me give it a try. It feels super slimy. Not bad, but it's not good enough.
Oh, in that case, I'll add something else to make it even better. How about I add some sweet pumpkin? Wow! Sweet pumpkin soup is ready! This time, I'm sure the witch will love it. Excuse me, I've added something to make it better. Give it a try.
Is this the sweet taste of pumpkin? Not bad. But I need something even more special.
Something more special?
Yes, more rich, stinky, and yummy!
Let's spice it up with a special ingredient. How about a giant spider? I think it's still missing something.
Baby Shark!
Huh? That's Grandpa Shark's voice.
Our family has a secret ingredient that will bring back any lost taste buds. Check under the food truck.
Where could it be? Here it is! The magic box! What's that smell? Are those socks? Oh, this stinky smell of socks might be just what the witch wants! The perfect stinky soup is all ready now. Time to serve it up. Excuse me, here's the soup with a special taste, just like you asked for.
This is it, perfect. It's like my lost taste buds are back. That stinky flavor I've been looking for. I'm so happy. Spooky, spooky Halloween, special soup, spooky soup. Happy, happy Halloween, let's all have fun. Spooky, spooky Halloween, special chef, spooky chef, Baby Shark's Halloween food truck.
I'm so hungry! Oh, I'd better get going again. See ya!
Thank you, Baby Shark.
Welcome to Baby Shark's Halloween food truck. What would you like?
I'm so hungry. I want a super tasty pie.
I can make you the yummiest pie in the whole wide world. Should I add some honey? Sweet honey pie is all ready. Excuse me, your sweet honey pie is here.
Wow, that looks tasty. Thank you. Whoa, that's super sweet and yummy. But that was not enough. I'm still so hungry.
Oh, in that case, I'll whip up another one right away. Let's add some chocolate this time. Smooth chocolate pie is ready. Excuse me, your smooth chocolate pie is here.
Thank you. Whoa! It's silky smooth and sweet! But I'm still super hungry. Can you make me an even yummier pie that will actually fill me up?
Sure, just a moment, please. I'll add some gummy worms. Colorful gummy worm pie is ready. But I think it's still missing something.
Baby Shark, look behind the food truck.
Where could it be? Aha! Here it is! Oh, is this Daddy Shark's fart spray? Ew! Colorful, smelly pie is ready! Excuse me, here's your pie with a special flavor!
This is it! Perfect! My favorite sweet stinky flavor with a surprise! Yippee! I'm so happy! Let's dance together, Baby Shark!
Spooky, spooky Halloween, special pie, spooky
Wow!
pie. Happy, happy Halloween, let's all have fun. Spooky, spooky Halloween, special chef, spooky chef, Baby Shark's Halloween food truck.
So hot!
Someone is looking for me. Bye!
See ya, Baby Shark!
Welcome to Baby Shark's Halloween food truck. How can I help you?
It's too hot. Do you have any cold juice?
Of course! One refreshing juice coming right up. Let's make it with blueberries. Ice cold blueberry juice is ready. Excuse me, here is your blueberry juice.
Oh, thank you. What? This is all I get? Am I supposed to drink the cup too?
No way! That's not safe!
Hot! It's so hot!
I'll make you some more juice right away! Let's add some tomatoes. Tangy tomato juice is ready! Try this tomato juice!
What is this? All gone after just one gulp? Are you playing tricks on me?
Oh no! Hold on, I'll be right back! Here's a big watermelon. But I don't think this is going to be enough.
Baby Shark, look on top of the food truck.
On top of the food truck? I found it! Whoa! It's the golden thorn rose, the vampire's favorite! Okie dokie! Now it's time for the giant straw! It's all done! Excuse me! Here's your giant super refreshing watermelon juice!
It's perfect! So refreshing and delicious! Hey, Bats, let's all share!
Spooky, spooky Halloween, special juice, spooky
Wow.
juice. Happy, happy Halloween, let's all have fun. Spooky, spooky Halloween, special chef, spooky chef, Baby Shark's Halloween food truck.
Oh, I'm feeling thirsty too. Maybe just one tiny sip? What's happening? I've turned into a ghost baby shark! No!